Get the avocado. There's two here. There's down there. And then the small one here. I'm still trying to find. I record this on June 28th and it's going much bigger now. But you can see, if you look carefully, there are more than 20 avocado from the bottom to the top to the middle. They are all on the outside part. I guess that has to do with where I fertilize the avocado. Casey insists that we had to cut some of them, so you see them on the bottom, the leftover leaves. But they are avocado this year. Yay! Yeah, from this angle, you can see some of the avocados. I guess this lighting is not very obvious. Even I couldn't see some of them. But they are there. Since avocado is going much bigger now, I will record more videotape so you can see the progress.